Hello folks, this is going to be a short video. I know it's Tuesday. I hope everybody's doing well. This here, we did a collaboration the other day. Bunch of channels repurposing coffee cans. And one of our subscribers, he's a guy I work with. He recently found out about our channel and subscribed. And he said that he likes to take the metal coffee cans and bend a spout onto it there with a pair of pliers, and then he also puts a cabinet handle on it. It turned out great, folks. He sent me the pictures this evening and we're going to show them to you right now. Ronnie, you did a great job on these two cans here. Made great scoops, it looks like. Now, I'd like to thank you for sharing with us. Folks, anybody out there that'd like to share with us, just let us know. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. Lord willing, be seeing you tomorrow. And I'd like to thank y'all again for watching. Y'all take care.